Hello, good day, class. Today we'll be discussing UX design, and my name is Idoridion. I will be taking you on this subject. Today's discussion will cover the definition of UX design. I'll walk you through UX design processes and share some basic tools that will be needed for UX design. At the end of this class, you'll be expected to know what UX design is. You'll be expected to also know the processes when you want to implement this strategy, and also the tools that will be required to help you do this successfully. So, what is UX design? UX also means user experience. So, UX design is a process of creating products that provide meaningful and relevant experience to the users. You know, your users becomes the focus and the core center of every product that you want to do. So you want to design products, you want to create products that are meaningful and gives good experience to the user. So this process will involve acquiring and integrating several aspects throughout your design from the start to finish, which will be, drawing the user flow, mapping the touch points, and most importantly, um, your mockups, your wireframes, and what have you. So other aspects of the US design would include, your branding, your brand assets. You also consider usability and functions that you want your product to successfully undertake. So UX design processes, start from product definition. And in other words, you can say identifying the problem that you want to solve. When this is clearly defined, you can now undertake research as to what your customer really wants or as to how you want to solve this problem. On completion of this research, you then want to proceed into analyzing this data so that you can use and extract meaningful information from this data and start your design. So as soon as you start your design and you complete your design, the next thing will be to test to see if the solution addresses the process that you earlier identified. So the process, I will go over it again. Start with problem identification or your product definition. You research about this problem or the product that you want to design. You go ahead to analyze the data that you got from your research. Then you proceed to design. Then you run tests to validate to see if your product solves or addresses the problems that were identified. Some UX design tools include Adobe XD, InVision. You also have Sketch. You also have Figma and Balsamic. Some of these tools do not do exactly the same function or perform better in some areas of UX design. For example, Balsamic is used for prototyping. It's very good with prototyping, while you can use the rest for, wireframing, low fidelity mockup, and what have you. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Let's meet next class as we proceed in our classes. Thank you.